Dog in the truck. This is the dog driving home in a truck. This is the truck which is taking him back. This is the rock struck by the truck. And this is the muck where the truck becomes stuck. These are the feet which jump the duck down into the muck, all yucky and brown. This is the frog who spies from the bush and croaks, "I'll help you, give it a push." This is the push of a frog and the duck. And this is the truck still stuck. This is the sheep driving home in a jeep. "Get out of the way," he yells with a peep. Quack! This is the quack of an angry dog. "I can't," he snaps. "My truck is stuck." This is the quiet as they think what to do. "Got it," croaks frog. "Sheep can push too." This is the slurp and squelch and suck as the sheep steps slowly through the muck. This is the push of a sheep, a frog, and a duck. And this is the truck still stuck. This is the rope, and here's the goat's plan: to tie a knot as tight as they can. This is the push of the near once again. This is the pull of the goat takes the strain. These are the wheels. This is the knot, suddenly slipping. Twang! This is the dog driving home in the truck, leaving the frog, the sheep, and the goat stuck in the muck. Oh no. The end.